What is Jason Davis Thinks? What is Jason Davis Thinks? What is Jason Davis Thinks? That's a good question. I mean, this thing has been evolving since its inception because I have been evolving since its inception. You know, when I came with the idea, I didn't know exactly where I wanted to go, but I knew exactly what I wanted it to be, which was an alternative to the culture war stuff and the gender war stuff and the politics and oh my God. All I wanted to do was provide a place for you to just take a mental break. I wanted to help people in the same way I needed to be helped previously. I wanted to entertain you. I wanted to teach you. I wanted to help you grow into the best version of you. I wanted to be that hand to reach out and pull you up. You know, when I needed that hand, it wasn't there. So I wanted to be that for somebody else. If you were feeling unhappy, maybe you just lost somebody, divorced, lost a family member, I wanted to help you get through that and live your best life. I wanted to help you get over the fear of living authentically as you, because that is where true freedom lies. And once you let that go, man, the world is yours. Happiness is abundant. Joy is plentiful. It is just pouring around here. I'm on a journey and I want you to come along for this journey with me. Come on, get in the car. Let's go.